Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to copy or duplicate a Shopify store. This is useful if we want to create a mockup, build a new version of our store, or test changes without affecting our live website. On our Shopify dashboard, we just need to click on Online Store. To duplicate a store, we click the three dots, then click Duplicate. It's that simple. Once we click Duplicate, it starts copying and we already have a copy of our store ready. We can do the same for another store. We just need to click the dots again and select Duplicate. And just like that, it is copying and creating another store. That's how we copy or duplicate a Shopify store. It's a simple and safe way to experiment, build a mockup, or launch a new version of our store.